Hey guys, so this is why I think Shebeshxta's plan to convince the judges to grant him bail had failed, for me. So allegedly, apparently, in one of the documents submitted, in one of the affidavits submitted during his trial, Shebeshxta has declared that his girlfriend is pregnant again. So they're expecting another child, for me, after losing his daughter in a horrible car crash, whereby he was the driver, and he beat that case. Remember. So yeah, man. So his lawyers were planning to play the baby card, the pregnancy card on the judges. You feel me? Yeah, man. They were planning to claim that Shebeshxta must be out here. You feel me? To hustle for the upcoming child. You feel me? To support the baby mama. And they were literally hoping that the judges will feel pity. You feel me? For him or for the baby mama or for the baby man. You feel me? It was a good card too, you feel me? But I still don't think it can work, bro. I mean, bro is a repeat offender, man. He has already been acquitted of prior charges before. He was later on accused for, you feel me, 3 attempted murder. Imagine 3 attempted murders, man. You feel me? So yeah, man. His lawyers tried a good card, but unfortunately, it hasn't worked. But you guys haven't lost yet, man. You feel me? The trial still continues. I think he's gonna be in court later on this month again. Yeah, man. It's your boy Twadu Wasabi, and I like to say, bah, out, bro. Please leave a sub, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so whenever we drop a new video, you are there in time, bro. Oh, not so fun fact, guys. Shebeshxta still remain in prison pending the trial. Feel me, he hasn't gotten bail yet. His bail application was denied, man, but he only applied for it once. So yeah, man, hoping and praying for Shebeshxta. Shoot, pop, pop.